Welcome to West Coast Business Solutions, your source for bookkeeping tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hopefully, you will find our resources helpful and informative, and stop by often to find answers to your bookkeeping questions. Thank you for visiting the Calc time card calculator demo. This demo will briefly go over the Excel template designed to track regular, overtime, and double time hours for your employee, as well as produce a detailed and summary report for entry into your payroll system. Welcome to the Calc time card calculator demonstration. This template has been designed with two sections. So the left-hand section here is for your data entry for entering the hours worked, and you'll complete all the sections that are highlighted in yellow. The other section on the right here is your summary report. This report shows all of the calculations, and this is also what you will print for your payroll department for entering the information into the payroll system. Here is the print button to print this particular report, and here is a clear button to start a new time card for a new employee. Now, what we're going to do is enter the employee's name here. So when you enter the employee's name here, it's going to transfer over to your summary report, and we're going to enter a pay ending date. And again, that information is transferred over to the other side. Now, I have some data in here currently with a regular employee that doesn't work overtime. So basically, they've worked every day, Monday to Friday, from 9 a.m. till 5:30 p.m. with a 30-minute unpaid break. So this information has been transferred over to the report, and it's showing 40 hours for week 1, 40 hours for week 2, a grand total of 80 hours. And in this summary section, it's just showing regular hours of 80 and a grand total of 80. All of the hours have been converted into a 2400 hour clock format, and the minutes have been converted into fractions of an hour. For example, if it's a 30-minute unpaid break, it's 50% of the hour. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how the overtime is calculated. So we'll say that this particular person worked in an extra hour on Monday. So instead of 5:30, we're changing it to 6:30. So now you'll see on the report here, it shows a total of 9 hours worked. 8 of those hours are regular and 1 hour is overtime. And it shows in the week 1 totals. And then our grand totals are changed to reflect that. And the summary is showing 80 hours regular and 1 hour of overtime. Now, let's say that this person worked Saturday as well. So we're going to say that they worked from 9 a.m. until 2 p.m. So that's showing Saturday they worked 5 hours. So they're getting 1 hour of overtime for the extra hour on Monday. And then the total overtime is 6 hours, which is broken down here. So the weekly overtime is 5, the daily overtime is 1, for a total of 6 hours of overtime here. So it's 80 plus 5 plus 1 is a total of 86 hours. Now, we'll do some double time for this person. We'll say that they worked until 10:30 on Monday. So again, our calculations are changed. So on that particular day, they worked 13 hours. So 1 hour of that is double time, 4 hours is regular overtime, and 8 hours is regular. And again, our week 1 totals are changed, and our week 2 remains the same, our grand totals, and our summary. So we've got 80 hours of regular, 9 hours of overtime, and 1 hour of double time, for a total of 90. So that's the basic idea of how it's all put together. And when it's time to start a new report, you'll you'll print your report for your payroll department and click here to start a new report. So we'll click, it clears everything out, and you're ready to start a new employee. Thank you. If you like this worksheet and you'd like to order your copy, please visit westcoastbusiness.ca. Thank you for visiting West Coast Business Solutions, your source for bookkeeping tips, tricks, and tutorials. If you have any bookkeeping questions that you would like answers for, feel free to leave a question in the comments section and we would be happy to help you out. If you found this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Have a great day.